Let's animate a ki blast. I'll teach you how to animate that easily. We'll be using flipaclip for this animation. Create a new project. Select 20 for frames per second, sub to the channel, and let's go. We'll be starting out with the keyframes for this animation. For this animation, we'll do keyframes first, in between second and the ki blast animation last. The keyframes we'll be animating here is a close-up of him raising his hands for the blast. In the final frame, he warms up, then blasts. Now let's animate the in-betweens. Be sure to keep the size consistent so the animation isn't wobbly. Enjoy the in-betweens time-lapse. The ki animation comes next. Before we get to the ki animation, let's add heads. For the head, you just need to increase the pen size, make a dot, copy, and keep pasting it. Now to finish off the character animation, let's copy and paste some frames to adjust timing. Let's add the shaky effect, copy, paste, and slightly shift the next frame to achieve this. On a new layer, let's start with the blast animation. We're animating the blast at the point his hands are raised up, so select the color and let's animate. Here the blast is sort of gathering. In this frame, the blast leaves his hands. Seems we've finished with the animation. All that's left is to turn on the glow option on the layer. Before we export the animation, I'll copy and paste the frames where the blast was flickering to give the charge up effect. We're done with everything. Add sound effects, some editing, and you have this. If you want to learn how to add sound effects to your animations, check out this video on the second channel or watch more animation tutorials here.